Welcome to my channel, Guides to Everything. Earn $5 every 30 seconds for free. Earn $5 every 30 seconds for free. Quick and easy way to make money online. We live in a world where everyone is looking for quick and easy ways to make money online. With the rise of the gig economy, more and more people are turning to the internet to supplement their income or even make a full-time living. But with so many options out there, it can be overwhelming to find the right method that actually works. That's why I'm here to share with you one simple and effective strategy that can earn you $5 every 30 seconds for free. Now, before we dive into the details, I have to say that this method is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It won't make you a millionaire overnight, but it is a legitimate way to earn some extra cash in your spare time. So, if you are ready to put in some effort and focus, let's get started. The first step in making money online is to find the right apps and websites that will pay you $5 every 30 seconds. But not only that, these platforms should also allow you to withdraw your money instantly and for free. Click the link in the description below to get started. https://shrink.io, ref. Okuzman1.